true, guys. The Imam and the speaker and the Sheikh needs to take the people to where they need to go, not where they want to go. هذا أمر مهم جدا. Something that is extremely important. The next point that I want to mention, my brothers and my sisters, is that Alhamdulillah, all praise to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. Right? At a lot of our events in the UK and outside of the UK, we've been getting some of the biggest drug dealers, rappers and rappers. Right? People who may not have entered into the masjid, only Allah knows best. They themselves would say to me, I haven't been into the masjid for years, because of the kind of lifestyle that they have been living. Just the other day in Khalid bin Walid Masjid here in Toronto, Alhamdulillah, we had a lot of drug dealers attend. Guys on the street, you guys are laughing. That brings me so much happiness. We don't just have students of knowledge or Huffaz. Alhamdulillah, we're getting people from different walks of life coming to these programs. And that's honestly been the highlight of the da'wah that I have been giving in the last year and a half. I thank Allah Azza wa Jalla for it. Right? After the lecture, a brother came up to us and he said that in the masjid he saw people that he used to sell pills to. People that he messed up their lives. Right? He got them hooked onto pills. He's a drug dealer. Right? And he was asking for advice, and he got very emotional. I gave him a big hug and then wanting to flip his life around as a 14-year-old or maybe 13-year-old. He was making something along the lines of $5,000-$6,000 a week. And he was talking to me how he never felt content, never felt peace. He came to the program and he was asking for advice, what can I do next? Even a sister messaged us saying how she